Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best boys' 18th birthday decorations kit available on the market. If you're planning a special celebration for an 18-year-old, this kit has everything you need to create an unforgettable party atmosphere. This 18th birthday decoration set comes in a striking dark blue and black theme, a timeless color combination that adds a touch of sophistication and style to any party space. The kit includes a large happy birthday banner in blue, paired perfectly with a 32-inch foil balloon shaped as the number 18. Adding to the charm are 3 star-shaped foil balloons in silver, blue, and black, bringing in a festive sparkle and dimension to your decorations. One of the standout features of this kit is the impressive balloon assortment. You get 15 silver confetti-filled balloons along with a generous mix of latex balloons in blue, silver, and black. These balloons can be filled with either air or helium, and the latex material is designed to be durable and elastic, ensuring your decorations last throughout the party. The foil balloons are also pressure-resistant, making them reusable for future celebrations, which is a great value addition. To complement the balloons, the set includes 6 blue hanging swirls with number 18 pendants, 2 silver fringe curtains, and a balloon chain with dot stickers and ribbon, allowing you to easily create an eye-catching balloon garland or arch. Assembly is straightforward. None of the balloons come pre-strung, giving you the creative freedom to customize your setup exactly how you want it. The included tools make it easy to hang everything on walls or ceilings, perfect for indoor or outdoor use. A nice touch is the inclusion of a happy birthday tablecloth in the same theme, which not only enhances the party decor but also helps keep your table clean from any spills or mess during the celebration. The overall count of 45 pieces in this kit means you have plenty of decorations to cover a room or outdoor garden area, making the party feel luxurious and vibrant. This kit isn't just about looks. It is made with non-toxic materials that are safe for kids and adults alike. The balloons hold helium well for 4 to 8 hours, ensuring your decorations stay afloat for the duration of your event. Just be mindful to inflate the foil balloons carefully to avoid overfilling, especially in warm environments. Whether you're celebrating your son, grandson, brother, or friend turning 18, this decorations kit sets the perfect scene. The dark blue represents calm and civility, while black adds a sophisticated edge. Together, they create a memorable and classy backdrop for photos and lasting memories. In summary, this 18th birthday decorations kit offers a complete, stylish, and reusable solution for marking this milestone birthday. From the large statement balloons to the subtle accents like hanging swirls and fringe curtains, everything works together beautifully. If you want a fuss-free way to transform your party space into a celebration worthy of turning 18, this kit is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in this decorations kit, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.